Hi everyone, and welcome to your next core knowledge lesson with me, Mrs. Brumming. Just like yesterday, we're going to need a black pen, green pen, knowledge organiser and paper, and you're going to write your title and date just like I have done in the example down there. Okay, press pause while you gather all your materials and then press play when you are ready to begin. So our objective today is exactly the same as yesterday. We're really trying to strengthen the long-term learning of that key knowledge from your knowledge organiser. And we're going to do that in exactly the same way as we did yesterday, because we know from yesterday's lesson that this self-quizzing retrieval practice is a proven way of doing that. So we're going to do that again today. Just before we start, just here is a reminder of how to complete your self-quizzing. Okay, so your timings are there, 3 minutes reading that section of the knowledge organiser, then you write your 10 questions and answers, folding the page in half, covering them up. Then you read each question and answer in your head, read the question, and then answer it in your head, check it if you're not sure, rewrite your answers, and then check and correct any mistakes using green pen. If you're still unsure how to do this, go back to yesterday's lesson and rewatch that video of Mrs. O'Neill creating that model quiz for you underneath her visualizer. If you're feeling confident though, let's move on and get ready to create a self-quiz. So we're creating a 10-question quiz for each subject that you would have had at school today. So for some subjects, that's going to be different to what you did yesterday, and that's great. You're going to create your 5 questions from this week's section and 5 weeks from previous weeks. Now, there may be some subjects that you completed a quiz for yesterday, but that's great because either you can create 5 different questions from that knowledge organiser, or if it's the same questions, that's still great because that means that we've got even more chance of kind of cementing that knowledge into our long-term memory. So you do still need to complete a self-quiz even if you had that subject yesterday. Once again, if there's any words that you're unsure of the definitions of, use that link to the Cambridge Dictionary to find those definitions, and keep a note of your scores to complete the Google form at the end of the lesson. Okay, so press pause, complete your 5 quizzes for today, and again, I'll look forward to seeing what scores you got. Okay, so you should now have your 5 quizzes of 10 questions each. So that's 50 retrieval practice questions you've completed today. Definitely on that path towards university. Well done for your efforts, everyone, and I will see you again tomorrow.